What does it look like when Ferretti builds a flagship with no compromises on interior volume, offshore capability, or livability? I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Today we're doing a full technical breakdown of the Ferretti 1000, specs, performance, layout, and how it stacks up against the competition. Start with the engines. The Ferretti 1000 ships with twin MTU 16V 2000 M96L units, 2,638 horsepower each, 5,276 total. Top speed is 28 knots. Cruise speed is 24 knots. Fuel capacity is 2,378 gallons. At 24 knots cruise, Fort Lauderdale to Nassau is around 5 hours. This is a boat that operates on your schedule, not the weather's. On dimensions, 98 feet 10 inches overall length, 22 foot 4 beam, 7 foot 6 draft. Displacement runs 216,000 pounds unladen. The carbon fiber hardtop keeps weight high where it matters, contributing directly to the stability and seakeeping you'd expect offshore. On deck, the layout centers on what Ferretti calls the open space concept. No structural bulkheads in the main salon, full height windows on 3 sides, doors pocket completely into the structure. The cockpit staircase is positioned outside the interior envelope. That's deliberate, preserving salon volume and keeping the flow unobstructed. Side decks are 48 inches wide, 3 pilot house exits, port, internal to galley, and aft. Let crew move without intersecting guests. Below, there are 5 equal-sized staterooms, plus a main deck full beam master. 6 heads total, plus crew quarters. 4 guest staterooms on the lower deck are each en suite with natural light. The tender garage is 64% larger than comparable vessels in this class. That matters when you're carrying a 16-foot tender plus water toys. The headline number on this vessel is the interior volume, approximately 1,800 square feet on a sub-100-foot hull. Ferretti spent 4,000 hours over 3 years measuring every available inch. That's the figure that separates this boat from the Sunseeker 100 yacht and Princess Y95, the Azimut Grande. 32M is the closest competitor on volume, but the Ferretti wins on top-end performance with the M96L engine option. Bottom line, the Ferretti 1000 is the interior volume leader in the sub-100-foot class without giving up offshore speed. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. See you on the next one.